Are you looking for the best audio mixers? In this video we will look at some of the best audio mixers in the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Soundcraft EPM12 High Performance 12. The Soundcraft EPM12 High Performance 12-channel audio mixer is an excellent choice if you're looking for a straightforward mixer. It's a well-built piece of gear that does what it's supposed to do well. It is an excellent option for those who want to use external effects. Soundcraft EPM12 is the overall best audio mixer on our list today. Our initial impression on seeing the Soundcraft EPM12 was of a well-designed, small desk with a high-quality aesthetic. Our testing found the sound is quite simple to shape, and the EQ knobs are mild and linear enough to allow for fine-tuning in any scenario where we'd utilize this desk. Our experts found the controls to be fluid and accurate. The ability to sweep the mids is a considerable benefit. When we connected the speakers using the XLR cables, they produced a pristine, transparent sound with plenty of headroom. Even with less costly microphones, vocals came out beautifully clear. The built-in power source is also a significant benefit. However, despite the additional weight, you need not deal with the tinier connectors and the separate transformers on the mixer that other brands require. Number 2. Yamaha MG10XU 10-input stereo mixer with effects. 24 effects. Multiple input options. Knobs on compressors. 3-band EQ. Lightweight and compact. Reliable and versatile. Highly suitable for karaoke in small studios. Not suitable for large studios. Yamaha MG10XU is a work of art that is both beautiful and functional. The controls handling is fluid, and the build, quality, and presentation are excellent. Yamaha provides superb sound quality and fantastic effects, and it is our choice for the best analog audio mixer on our list. The Yamaha MG10XU audio mixer is ideal for small home recording sessions and portable concerts. Furthermore, we were impressed by MG10XU's fantastic audio quality and flexibility. The built-in preamps provided with the greatest quality alternatives for sparkling pure highs and unobstructed bass frequencies. 4 XLR lines also work as 1/4 jacks, each with its unique features. 2 of them have compression control knobs, and 2 come with phantom power for condenser microphones. It has 24 digital effects covering every sound you may desire from a mixer. In addition, you can listen to external audio thanks to USB audio ports and cassette, CD, and RCA connections. Furthermore, you can quickly learn and operate the interface setup, having 3-band EQ and LED metering. Yamaha is known for its high-quality products, and the MG10XU contains several of them. It's also very compact so that you can take it anywhere. It is an excellent audio mixer for smaller shows. 10-channel mixer with USB and SPX digital effects. Featuring studio-grade discrete Class A DPRE amps with inverted Darlington circuit providing fat, natural-sounding bass and smooth, soaring highs. 3-band EQ and high-pass filters give you maximum control and eliminate unwanted noise, resulting in a cleaner mix. 1-knob compressors allow easy control resulting in livelier guitars, punchier bass lines, a tighter snare and a cleaner vocal sound. MG series mixers feature a rugged, impact-resistant, powder-coated metal chassis, equivalent input noise 128 dB, residual output noise 102 dB. Note, please refer to the user. Number 3. Mackie Mix8 8-channel compact mixer. Can attach 2 microphones at once. The 3-band EQ is useful for fine-tuning your sound. For studio condenser microphones, it offers phantom power. Versatile and durable. Available at a pocket-friendly price. Easy to set up and use. Good gain range. Good variety of mono and stereo inputs. Delivers clear sound. May not be suitable for using as a primary mixer. Does not have enough channels for larger events? The Mackie Mix8 8-channel compact mixer has everything you need for superb sound at a price that most artists and bands can afford. For example, it may serve as your primary sound system or a supplementary mixing surface for recording music to your computer. In addition, Mackie's Mix8 offers high-end audio quality at an affordable price and is our choice for the best budget audio mixer on our list. Despite its small size, the Mackie Mix8 packs a strong punch and is durable. The Mackie Mix8 has 8 channels, 2 studio-quality mic/line inputs, phantom power for studio condenser mics, and 3-band EQ on all channels. It is suitable for small venues and produces high-quality sound for your events. And if that wasn't enough, we could even alter our vocal timbre quickly by pressing a button. We were amazed at how simple it is to generate professional-sounding mixes with this tiny mixer straight out of the box. With its sturdy metal chassis and Mackie's characteristic made like a tank architecture, the Mix8 is both rugged and lightweight, weighing in at just 8 pounds. Additionally, Mackie's famous preamps guarantee that every input sounds clean and distortion-free, even at high volumes. However, there are some uses for which it's just not big enough. 2 mic/line inputs with 3-band EQ. 2 stereo 1/4 line inputs with 3-band EQ. 1 AUX send with stereo 1/4 returns. Stereo RCA tape inputs and outputs. Pan, level and overload indication. Number 4. Behringer X1222 USB. Behringer X1222 USB is compact, but don't let the size fool you. It is powerful and portable and is large enough to handle all of your mixer requirements. With 4 phantom-powered Xenix mic preamps, the Behringer X1222 USB is a quality analog mixer designed for pros. These preamps produced excellent quality in our tests, and we could easily compare them to standalone boutique preamps. In addition, they feature a 130 dB dynamic range. This mixer also has 4 professional compressors and LED control, enabling you to mix and get the desired sound swiftly. Reverb, flanger, chorus, delay, and other effects are among the 16 changeable presets on the mixer. You can connect the XLR and line level sources to 2 of the 4 available channels. Behringer has also included an FBQ feedback detection system in this mixer, allowing you to achieve the correct sound without any feedback. In addition, the LED will light up when the model detects feedback, indicating which setting to alter, which is a very convenient feature. You may easily connect it to any computer with the provided USB cable. It includes all the software and the price of this model. For example, you may build the studio of your dreams at home with the help of the app's 150+ virtual instruments.